Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to play games in Messenger with friends. The first thing we will do is open the Messenger application, or open Facebook to open the Messenger application from there. Once in Messenger, we will open the conversation with the contact we want to play. Then we will click on the 4-dot icon that you see on the screen. Here the option to play games should appear. Click on it. By clicking, we can see a list of games. Click on the game you want to use and you will see that you can start using it. Each player will have their turn and the game will be updated in each one. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.